Hey guys, welcome to my channel Joe Boy Techie. Hope you all are doing fine. Microsoft Office, a software that we all want on our systems whether we use it or we don't. But the official pricing of Microsoft Office on their website is nearly 5,300 rupees a year, due to which many people download Microsoft Office from third-party websites, and some of them are able to activate them, some are not able to activate them. And if you can afford that, then it's good enough. So today I'm going to show you some alternatives to Microsoft Office. Although there are many, but I've shortlisted two and they make a lot of sense. So first one is LibreOffice. Now this software is free to download, free to use. The best part about the software is you do not need to give any login information or your email ID or anything like that. There are no ads as well. So all you need to do is just go to Google or your browser and just search for LibreOffice and open the first website that shows up, and you can select the download now option. And you can download the latest version, which is LibreOffice 7.0.4. You can even download the older version in case you're well accustomed with it. But I recommend you to download the latest version so that you'll get the latest of the software. Now, after installing LibreOffice, you get many options here, like LibreWriter, which is Microsoft Word, then a calculator, which is like Excel, Impress, which is like PowerPoint. And you even get some other options here like Base, Math, and Draw. Now, when you open LibreOffice Writer, you'll notice that it is almost similar to Microsoft Word. Not many differences here, only minor differences, which you will be able to figure out on your own if you're well accustomed to Microsoft Word. Like for example, the spelling check option is here, whereas on Microsoft Word, it would be right here. When it comes to saving options, by default, it will save as .odf format, which is open document format. And you can even save this as a Word document to suit your purposes. Same thing goes for Excel and PowerPoint as well. You get the option of saving it in PowerPoint format so that you can import it in Microsoft PowerPoint from another PC. So for me, LibreOffice does most of the work that Microsoft Office used to do. And yeah, LibreOffice is free to use for home and business purposes. So there's nothing to worry about activating the software or something like that. The next free option is Softmakers FreeOffice 2018. Now, in this software, you get only three versions, that is Text Maker, which is Microsoft Word, then Plan Maker and Presentations. Now, after opening Text Maker, you'll notice that the design is pretty much normal, doesn't look as attractive as LibreOffice or Microsoft Word. So you can use the software in case your system doesn't meet the requirements of LibreOffice or Microsoft Word. It seems to be quite light. You can even use this to export in different formats, so there's no need to worry about that. So the next time when you want to install Microsoft Office on your system, I recommend you not to download the pirated version. And if you can afford the original one, then that's good. But other than that, you can think of LibreOffice as your first option. And do mention in the comment section if you think there's any better software than LibreOffice or Softmakers FreeOffice. Guys, if you like this video or if you found it informative, then hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get updates about my new videos. Stay safe, take care of yourself till then. See you next time.